The Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw for 2026 is designed to revolutionize the way people think about urban transportation. As cities continue to grow, the need for clean, sustainable, and cost-efficient modes of transport becomes more pressing. With rising pollution levels and increasing fuel costs, electric vehicles are emerging as a viable solution to these problems. The 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw meets these demands with a futuristic design that offers reliability, efficiency, and low environmental impact.
One of the key features of the 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw is its advanced electric powertrain. Unlike traditional fuel-based vehicles, this electric auto is powered by a high-performance battery that provides a smooth, quiet, and efficient driving experience. The battery is designed to be long-lasting, offering a significant reduction in the cost of operations over the vehicle's lifespan. With zero tailpipe emissions, it contributes to a cleaner environment and helps reduce the carbon footprint, making it a perfect choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The vehicle is equipped with cutting-edge technology that enhances the driving experience for both the operator and the passengers. It includes an intuitive digital dashboard, which offers real-time data on battery status, speed, range, and other critical performance metrics. This dashboard makes it easy for drivers to manage their rides and ensure that they are always aware of their vehicle's condition. Additionally, the vehicle features a robust regenerative braking system, which recovers energy while braking and helps to extend the range of the electric auto.
The 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw is designed to handle the challenges of urban transportation. It is built with durability in mind, with a reinforced chassis that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The design also focuses on driver comfort, with an ergonomic seating position and easy-to-operate controls. The passenger compartment is spacious and comfortable, providing a smooth ride for passengers, even in busy traffic conditions. In terms of range, the electric auto is engineered to travel long distances on a single charge, making it suitable for a wide variety of urban transport needs. Whether it's short trips across the city or longer routes, the 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw offers an impressive range that ensures it can meet the demands of daily operation. Charging the vehicle is also a breeze, with options for both fast charging and home-based charging stations, making it convenient for owners to keep their vehicles ready for use at all times. The safety features of the 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw are top-notch. It comes equipped with advanced braking systems, including anti-lock braking technology, to ensure that the vehicle stops safely under all conditions. The vehicle also incorporates features such as reinforced body panels, high visibility lights, and a sturdy frame, all of which contribute to the safety of both the driver and passengers. Additionally, the electric rickshaw is designed to handle various road conditions, providing stability and safety even in crowded and challenging environments. Bajaj has placed a strong emphasis on making the 2026 electric auto rickshaw a cost-effective solution for drivers and operators. The low cost of electricity compared to traditional fuel means that drivers can significantly reduce their operating expenses. Additionally, the vehicle's maintenance requirements are minimal, as it has fewer moving parts than conventional internal combustion engine vehicles. This translates to lower maintenance costs and fewer repairs over the vehicle's lifespan, making it a financially viable option for those looking to run a cost-effective transport business. The 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw is also a step forward in terms of design and aesthetics. It features a modern, sleek look that is both functional and attractive. The streamlined body reduces drag, contributing to better efficiency and performance. The vehicle is available in a variety of colors and configurations, allowing owners to choose a model that best suits their preferences and needs. Bajaj has also incorporated smart technology into the 2026 electric auto rickshaw to enhance the user experience. The vehicle can be connected to a mobile app, allowing drivers to monitor their vehicle's performance remotely. The app provides important insights, such as battery health, location tracking, and maintenance reminders. This level of connectivity adds convenience and peace of mind for drivers, ensuring that they always have the information they need to keep their vehicle in optimal condition.